Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and today I just wanted to show you guys my kitchen and butler's pantry all decorated for Christmas. I've done a couple of little room tours now. I've done our entryway, the main master bedroom and our living areas, and this is the last area that I've got decorated for Christmas. So I'll just take you through and show you now. So this is our main living area here, and the kitchen is just off to the side of that. This shelf I've already shown as part of the living area shelf, so I'll leave a link to all those videos below if you want to see that. I'll just give you a scan so you can sort of see, maybe if I come on this side so it's not shining through the window, might be better. So that's our kitchen there. And our butler's pantry is through the back there, and then our food pantry is behind where the stove is. So yeah, those stools are from IKEA. I have my little tiered tray here, which is set up with all like the kitsch sort of Christmas decor, like the traditional Santa and candy canes and that sort of thing. I've already done a video showing how I've decorated that. Yeah, it's really cute. So here is my main kitchen here. So coming down here, what I've got set up here on the bench, I haven't really done a hot chocolate bar this year, mainly because here in Australia it is so hot. No one ever feels like having a hot chocolate. So I just thought instead of hot chocolate, I just set up a little popcorn station because both my kids like popcorn. So this popcorn machine was from Kmart a few years ago, and I was saving it for when we set up our theatre room, but since that's not really happening anytime soon, I just thought I'd get it out now and set it up here. Since it's red, it's Christmassy, and the kids can just make some homemade popcorn whenever they like. Next to the popcorn machine, I've just got these two mugs which I picked up from Spotlight yesterday. They're on sale for about $3, I think. So this little wooden Christmas tree here was from Kmart, and most of the decorations on it were all Kmart as well. I think the sleigh might have been Big W, but these little green Christmas trees, they were all from Kmart. The little car, I think, might have been Big W. I've normally got some fairy lights in amongst that, but I've actually just run out because I'm using them all over the place at the moment. And then above that, this is like a little new addition to our kitchen. I've just put up a couple of farmhouse shelves there, which I've just got decor on throughout the year, but yeah, that's just my Christmas decor at the moment. The little windmill was Reject Shop. The two reindeer were Kmart. The little ceramic pot there at the back was a thrift store find. The Christmas tree was, I think, Spotlight. The joy sign, possibly Kmart. And the little Christmas tree up the back there, I'm really not sure. It might have been Spotlight in the sales. Yeah, and I think that little buffalo checked ornament and that buffalo checked ornament was Spotlight in the sales as well. So that's my little shelf. Then up the top here, I know it's a bit hard to see because of the window, but that's where I put my TK Maxx Market sign just above my sink area, which I really, really love. And then on that side, that little jingle bell sign was from Kmart. So I've just got that sitting there for now. Then on my sink area, I just have a little red and white checked tea towel. On this little stand here, I hope you can see this, guys. It looks really dark through the lens here. But this is just my washing detergent, hand soap, little steel wool scrubby tablet for the dishwasher. This little watering can was, I'm pretty sure, the Reject Shop. The plant that's in it, I think, was IKEA. Now this little stand here, this is actually just a jewelry stand from Kmart, and I just use that to put my tea towel over, just as like a little tea towel stand. And then coming over to this area, I have a little burlap Christmas tree here. These 3 little chopping boards were part of a DIY I did. These were from Kmart. You get a pack of 6 of them, and they're just plain brown wooden chopping boards, and I've just given them a makeover, so I can leave a link to how I've done those in my description box as well. I think they turned out really cute. And this Christmas tree I just sprayed with snow spray. In this little corner, that's just all my cooking utensils, rolling pins, and I've just got a Christmas little sign sticking in there. Then here is my oven and stove area. So on the tea towels there, the 2 buffalo check ones were from Target maybe, and this little one I think was Kmart a couple of years ago. And then just on the stove there, that's just a spoon rest. That was from Spotlight a little while ago. And then in this corner here, nothing too exciting. That's just all my chopping boards. This little Christmas tree shaped one was from Kmart. I was going to do some sort of makeover to that one this year, but just never got round to it. And then that's another one of those little buffalo check ornaments from Spotlight. I've just hung off that one. So that is my main kitchen area. Nothing too crazy, but I do love it. And then on this side, there's nothing really Christmassy there. That's just our fridge. Those baskets and flowers are always at the top there. And that's the microwave. So then moving on to this area, this is my butler's pantry. And this area I love decorating for all the different holidays. It's my favorite place in the house. I just love it. So I'll give you a little scan first. I'll go from the top, then you can sort of see everything. Okay, so starting here, this little penguin plate I'm pretty sure was the reject shop a while ago. I just got a polka dot tea towel there, again just hanging over one of those jewelry stands. Here, this little Santa bowl was also the reject shop, and inside that I've just got some of the different coffee syrups and hot chocolate flavorings that were from Kmart and Target this year. And then there's just some paper napkins. I think that napkin holder was also Kmart a little while ago. Then here we've got some Christmas mugs, which I believe might have been possibly Big W. This is one of my other little DIYs that's using the other mini chopping boards. I just made some little stands out of those ones. So again, that's on my channel if you want to see how I did those. The sign was from, I think, the reject shop. And then moving along here, those are the other 2 little chopping boards that again I've just made like little stands out of them. And that one's housing more of those coffee flavoured syrups and some hot chocolate flavoured powder there as well. And the gingerbread baking sign was from TK Maxx. These 2 Christmas jars, they were Kmart last year. I'm pretty sure they've still got them again this year. And then my toaster and kettle were both from Kmart as well. And these plates were from Bed Bath & Table last year. I got them when they were on sale for about $3 each. Then moving up to the top here, my tins were from Kmart a long time ago. I haven't seen them since. I'm really sorry. I get a lot of questions about those. And we're moving along here. These are the mugs that match those plates from Bed Bath & Table. The Merry Christmas sign was from Kmart, and that's just a little wooden crate. I've just put some pine cones and a reindeer at the back there. This basket was Kmart. That's just holding all of our coffees, and the little coffee flavorings here, they were from Kmart and Target this year. So they've just got little different flavored powders in them that you can add to your hot chocolate and your coffees to give them some different flavors. Those two little cupcake domes, they were from, I think, the Reject Shop maybe a while ago. I can't really remember. And I've just got some holly and berries and a reindeer ornament sitting in there. These were all from a thrift store, picked up really, really cheaply. And my little woodland creatures, they were Kmart last year. And moving to this section, this is another one of the mugs I picked up from Spotlight yesterday. I just think he is adorable. And I've just got some plates. They were all from the Reject Shop, just nice little fancy side plates. And the basket again was from Kmart. Then moving up the top here, we have some, what do we call those? Lolly jars? Yeah, what do you call those? Can't remember now. Yeah, lolly jars. I've just filled them with some, that's just some like rock salt, like coarse salt, just to create that snow look, and just put some little wintry houses in there and some Christmas ornaments. And just got another few baskets up the top there for some decoration. This plant, that was from IKEA. I think it was only about $4 or $5. The pot it's sitting in was the Reject Shop. I've just got some fairy lights strung all around the top there. The little Christmas tree was Kmart, and I decorate with lots of pine cones. This big sign was from like a dollar store back when we used to live in the country. I think it was called Crazy Clark's or something like that. A long, long time ago, maybe about 5 years ago I got that. And this big bird cage, I think I picked up from the thrift store, and I think it was white. I just painted it black, and I used that to decorate for every season. So at the moment we've just got some pine cones, some greenery and some berry sprigs, as well as some fairy lights. So that is my little breakfast nook. I absolutely love decorating this little area. And then if you move into here, this is our food pantry. So we also have the cat's bowls in here, and yeah, that's just where we keep all of our food and everything like that. So all of this, all the baskets and everything, pretty much everything in here is all from Kmart. I mean, apart from the food, but yeah, all the actual baskets and tubs were all Kmart. So that's the pantry. And that is my kitchen tour for this year. So I will do one more tour, probably do it closer to Christmas, and I'll do a nighttime full house tour with all the Christmas lights on and everything, so you guys can get an idea of how it all looks all together. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed all of my Christmas DIYs that I've been doing this year. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.